Welcome everyone. Today we shall start a new lesson in mathematics, that is quadratic equation. All right. Okay. So quadratic equation. So let's first see a general form of quadratic equation. And student, this is for class 10 maths 1. Okay. So the general form, that is general form of equation will be of quadratic equation. Okay, so this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Okay, so here really one variable is there and degree of the variable is should be 2. Okay, if it is cube 4, that is x cube or x to the power 4, then this will not be a quadratic equation. For quadratic equation, the degree of variable should be only 2. Okay, and the terms a and b, and here the value of a should not be equal to 0. Value of a will not be equal to 0. That means it will have some value, that is 1 up to any number, but it is not equal to 0. So this is a general form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. All right, so here let's start solving practice set. Okay, so on page number 32 here, roots of a quadratic equations are given. So what are the root? This is a solution of a given equation. Like here in a quadratic equation we have general form, that is ax square plus bx plus c. So root of equation means the value of x, that is value of the solution of the quadratic equation. All right, and the value of x we have to find out, or whether in some questions the value of x is given and we have to find out whether the value of x is satisfying the given quadratic equation or not. Okay, so we will see by solving the sums. All right, so here it is given that let's remember on page number 33 it is given as first it is let's remember it is given as ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 is the general. Okay, so first point is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 is a general form of equation, that is general form of quadratic equation, where a, b and c, these term a, b and c are real number and a is non-zero. That means it is no value of a will not be 0. And second term, the values of variable, that is x or any variable which satisfy the equation or the value for which both the sides of equation are equal. That means this side, that is LHS and RHS, should be equal. That means this side and this side should be 0, are called as a solution or roots of the equation. That means value of x where while putting in the equation when LHS is equals to RHS, that will be called as a values of quadratic equation or roots of the given quadratic equation. So let's start solving practice set 2.1. Okay, so here in first question it is given as write any two quadratic equation. Okay, so we will write any of the quadratic equation. So here I am writing, this is practice set 2.1. Okay, question number 1, write any two quadratic equations. So let's write here our quadratic equation should be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a, b, c are real number and value of a will not be 0. So first I am writing here first equation, that is x square plus 7x plus 12 is equals to 0, and second equation I am rewriting as x square minus 11x plus 30 is equals to 0. Okay, so this is a question number 1. Now let's solve question number 2. So student, in question number 2 it is given as decide which of the following are quadratic equations. So I have told you that quadratic equation, the general form, it is ax square plus bx plus c. So first we will see whether it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, then only it is quadratic equation. Okay, so first is x square plus 5x minus 2 is equals to 0. So this is quadratic equation. Why? Because here the value of variable is 2. Okay, x square, then that means this is a quadratic equation, because here maximum value of variable is 2. So this is a form of a ax square plus bx plus c, that is quadratic equation. And second, this is also a quadratic equation. So here if we will write here, that is question number 2, y square is equals to 5y minus 10. So if we will write here, that is y square minus 5y plus 10 is equals to 0, then it is this is in the form of a quadratic equation, that is ax square plus b plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So this is also quadratic equation. Okay, and third one is y square plus 1 upon y is equals to 2. So if we will write here, it is third one. Okay, this is y square plus 1 upon y is equals to 2. So here when we will multiply this term or while taking LCM, it will become y cube plus 1 is equals to 2, that is y cube plus 1 is equals to 2y, that is y cube minus 2y plus 1 is equals to 0. So student, here the maximum value of variable is 3. That means this is not a quadratic equation. Okay, because the value of variable is 3. And fourth one is x plus 1 upon x is equals to minus 2. So let's write here question number third one. Okay, that fourth one, that is x plus 1 upon x is equals to minus 2. So let's do taking LCM, x square plus 1 is equals to minus 2. So it becomes x square plus 1 is equals to minus 2x, or we will write x square plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. So student, here also the value of variable is 2. That means this is also a quadratic equation. Alright. And fifth one is m plus 2 into bracket m minus 5 is equals to 0. First we will solve this. Then we will check whether it is equation or not. So it is given as m plus 2 m minus 5 is equals to 0. Okay, so let's solve it. So this is m square. We will multiply this term with this two term, this bracket, and this second term with this bracket. So we will get m into m will be m square minus m into 5, it will be minus 5. 2 into m will be plus 2m, then minus 2 5s are 10, but sign will be minus is equals to 0. Okay, so this will be m square minus 2 plus minus 5 plus 2, so it will become minus 3m minus 10 is equals to 0. So student, in this question also the value of variable or degree of variable is 2. So this is also quadratic equation. Okay, so let's check question number 6. So this is here the maximum variable. Sorry, let's solve it first. Okay, so question number 6 is m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equals to 3m cube. Okay, so let's solve it. So it will become 3m, wait, yes, this is m cube, 3m cube minus m cube, and now I am taking this all terms to the RHS. So this all terms become minus m cube plus 3m square minus plus 2 is equals to 0. Okay, this will become minus. Now 3m cube minus m cube will be 2m cube minus 3m square plus 2 is equals to 0. So here the maximum power of the variable is 3. It means this is not a example of quadratic equation. So question number 3 and 6 are not quadratic equation, and let's all are quadratic equation. Okay, now let's solve question number 3. So here in question number 3, write the following equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Then write the values of a, b, c for each equation. So here equations are given and we have to compare this with general form of a quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c. Then we have to write the value of a, b and c. So let's write. So our question number 3 first is 2y is equals to 10 minus y square. Okay, so here this is our question number, yes, question number 3 first. So let's rearrange first given equation. This y square, this I am taking towards the left hand side. So y square, the minus will become plus 2y minus 10 is equals to 0. Now compare this with the general equation, that is ax general form equation. Okay, x square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Okay, so this is ax square plus bx plus c. So let's write the values, that is a is equals to 1. Now no values is given, that means value of b 1, and value of b, that is 2, and value of c will be minus 10. Okay, so student, we have to write the values with their sign, given sign. So here minus 10 is there, so we will write value of c is minus 10. Okay, now let's solve number 2. Question number 3, 2. So second question is First I am writing question, that is x minus 1 whole square is equals to 2x plus 3. Alright, now let's start solving. So here this is in the form of a minus b whole square. So let's write the formula of a minus b. So here this become x square minus 2x 1 is equals to this same. Now I am taking r towards the LHS. So this becomes, okay, x square minus 2x, and this will become minus 2x plus 1 minus 3 to 0. Okay. Now x square minus 2x minus 2x become minus x. Now minus 3 plus 1 becomes minus 2 is equals to 0. Now this is compare this with general form. Let us ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So value of a in this equation, okay, value is 1, value of b minus 4, and value of c is minus 2. Right, now let's solve the next question. It is question number 3. Okay, so student, question number 3 is this one. It is x square plus 5x is equals to minus 3. So first let's solve question. Square plus 5x is equals to, now we will multiply minus with this bracket, minus 3 minus with plus, so it become minus minus become plus x. Okay, so x square minus x. Now we are taking RHS to the LHS. So plus will become minus and minus will become plus. So plus x become minus x plus 5x plus 3 is equals to 0. So x square minus x plus 5x, it become plus 4x plus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, let's compare with the general. It is ax square plus bx c equals to 0. So value of a is 1, is 4, and value of c is 3. Okay, now let's solve question number 3, 4. So 3m square. So it becomes 3m square minus 2m square plus 9 is equals to 0. So the 3m square minus 2m square will be m square plus 9 is equals to 0. So student, here when we'll compare this equation with the general form, so this general form is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So here this equation becomes m square, the value of b is 0. That means here we will write 0x plus 9 is equals to 0. Okay, here second term is not there. So value of a will be 1, value of b is 0, and value of c is 9. Right, now let's solve question number 5 also. So question number 5 is p into bracket 3 plus 6p is equals to minus 5. Let's multiply this p with this bracket. So we will get as 3p plus 6p square is equals to minus 5. Now 6p square plus 5 plus 3p is equals to 0. Here I am taking minus 5 to this side, so it becomes plus 5. So it becomes 6p square plus 3p plus 5 is equals to 0. Now write general form. That is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So value of a will be 6, value of b is 3, value of c is 5. Okay, let's solve for question number 6. So question number 6 is x square minus 9 is equals to 13. X square, now we will take the 13 toward this side, it will become plus to minus. Minus 9 is equals to 0. So 13 minus 9, it will be minus, this is 22 is equals to 0. Okay, so let's write general. So this become x square plus 0x minus 22 is equals to 0. So here second term is absent, that means second term is 0. Alright, so let's write first general form. So general form will be ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So value of a is 1, value of b is 0, and value of c is minus 22. Right. So now let's solve next question. That is question number 4. Okay. So now question number 4 is given as that determine whether the values given against each of the quadratic equation are the roots of the equation. That means here two values of variable are given, that is here x, two values are given, for m also two values are given, and we have to check whether the given values are solution for the root of the quadratic equation or not. It means if LHS becomes RHS is equals to LHS becomes LHS is equals to RHS, then only this value will be the root of given equation. Now, and we know in quadratic equation RHS is always 0. That means LHS should be also 0. Okay. So let's write first question number 1. X square plus 4x minus 5 is equals to 0, and here values are given, that is x equals to 1 and x equals to minus 1. So first we will write x equals to 1 in the given equation. Okay. So now we will write for x is equals to 1 equation minus 5 is equals to 0. Now in place of x we will write 1. So it becomes 1 square plus 4 into 1 minus 5. We will take LHS. Okay, so this is LHS. So it becomes 1 plus 4 minus 5. Now this 4 plus 1 will be 5 minus 5. So 5 minus 5 will be 0. That means LHS is equals to RHS. Okay. So for equation number 1, for first value, it is root of the given equation. Now let's put minus 1. Now for x is equals to minus 1. Now here we will write minus 1 on the place of x. So it becomes our equation. First we will write equation minus 5 is equals to 0. Okay. So minus 1 whole square plus 4 into minus 1 minus 5 is equals to 0. So minus 1 square will be 1. Now here 4 into 1, 4. But here minus sign will be there. 5. So we will write here LHS. Okay. Alright. So here 1 minus. Now minus 5 minus 4 will be minus 9. And 1 minus 9 will be minus 8. That means here LHS is not equal to RHS. So student, only this x is equals to 1 is a root of given equation. Okay, root of given quadratic equation. Now similarly we will solve question number 2 also. So our question number 2, we have this 2m square minus 5m is equals to 0. Alright, 2m square minus 5m is equals to 0, and value of variable it is given as m is equals to 2 and m is equals to 5 upon 2. Alright, so first we will check for the m is equals to 2. Now for m is equals to 2. Alright, so let's write question first. Minus 5m, this is our LHS. Okay, so LHS first we will write m is equals to 2. So 2 square minus 5 into 2. So 2 into 2 square will be 4 minus 5 to the 10. 4 to the 8 minus 10. Now this becomes minus 2. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Alright, that means m is equals to 2 is not a root of a given equation. Now we will check for the m is equals to 5 upon 2. Alright, now first we will for m is equals to 5 upon 2. First we will write LHS. LHS equals to 2m square minus 5m. Okay, so 2 into 5 upon 2 whole square. 5 upon 2. Right, so this becomes 2 into 5 square will be 25 upon 4 minus 5 into 5 upon 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So this becomes 25 upon 2 minus 25 upon 2. So here plus 25 upon 2 minus 25 upon 2. So this becomes 0. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. Okay. So student, value m is equals to 5 upon 2 is the root of a given quadratic equation. Okay, now let's solve question number 5. So question number 5, here we have to find out the value of a k if x is equals to 3 is a root of a given equation. That means x value root of a equation is given and we will find value of k. So this is so simple. So let's write question first. This is question number 5. That is x square minus 10x plus 3 is equals to 0 and x is given as 3. Okay, so first we will put x is 3. Okay, so this become k. X square we have 3, so this becomes 3 square minus 10 into 3 plus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, so here 3 square will be 9k. Alright, this become 9k minus 10 3 is a 30 plus 3 is equals to 0. Now 9k, now 30 minus 30 plus 3, so they will become minus 27 equals to 0. So we will write here 9k is equals to 27. K is equals to 27 upon 9. 9 1 is 9. 9 3 is 27. So value of a k is 3 equals to 3. Okay, now student, in question number 6, it is one of the roots of equation given, that is 5m square plus 2m plus k is equals to given, and one of the root is given, that is m is equals to minus 7 upon 5, and we have to find out the value of k by completing this activity. So I am solving in notebook. Okay, so here root of given, that is m is equals to minus 7 upon 5. So in place of m we will write minus 7 upon 5. So here 5 into minus 7 upon 5 whole square plus 2 into minus 7 upon 5 plus k is equals to 0. We have to find here value of k. Okay, so 5 7 minus 7 minus square will be plus, and 7 will be 49 25. 5 square will be 25. Okay, now here plus minus become minus. 7 2s are 14 upon 5 plus k is equals to 0. Alright, so what we will do here, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So this become 49 upon 5 minus 14 upon 5 plus k is equals to 0. Okay, now here we will write 49 upon 5 minus 14 upon 5 plus k is equals to 0. Okay, alright, now 49 minus 14 divided by 5 plus k is equals to 0. Now student, 49 minus 14. So after solving, this becomes 35 upon 5 plus k is equals to 0. Okay, so 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35. So this becomes 7 plus k is equals to 0, and we will write here k is equals to minus 7. So the value of k, it will become minus 7. So student, that's it for today's video, and here we have completed our practice set 2.1. Alright, and next practice set we will solve in our next session. Thank you.